Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. I recently made some of these oak wooden stands for these owls. Jane's been whittling out of pieces of wood and she wanted some more making, and I had this off cut of wood or scrap wood which I've bored out, and these are just the bits I've bored out. Okay, these are the wood, and these are not as good as the original ones, but they're good enough. Let's get rid of that one. There we go. There's some more little stands for more characters you can carve. Now I'm left with this piece of wood. So I thought, well, what can I do with that? Because I don't like throwing wood away if I can make something from it. So there's the scrap piece of wood from the scrap piece of wood. So what I've done, I've cut it down there with a handsaw. This top bit split, you can see there. And then I had an old piece of thin ply and I've glued it on the bottom. And this is going to be a ring box to put wedding rings on and jewellery rings in. And as I say, I've took the corners off here and made them like shoulders, and it's a scrap left over from making these. So it's a scrap piece of wood I made these from. The remainder of the scrap wood I'm making a ring box, which is this. And I don't know what I'm going to do with that, because well, I could make something from it, or just keep it. It might be something I could make, I don't know. So I'm going to make a little lid for this, and here we have a piece of oak, and as this is oak, I'll make a top to it. So that's what I'm going to do, is make a lid for this ring box I'm making. So it uses all the old little bits of wood I've got left over from different things, because I hate throwing anything away. Jane says I'm tight-fisted, but I just like making things. Okay, I've just got an old piece of oak which was given to me. It's not a very big piece, it's very old oak, English oak, and I've just made this top for this box, or cut it. So I'll just need to sand it down a bit more and get a brass hinge on the top, and this will be for rings, like wedding rings and things like that. And yeah, quite pleased with that, as it's not costing me anything. Buy 2 brass hinges to go on the back, and then may put a bit of felt, line it with felt, red felt or green felt. And it's just amazing what you can do with scrap bits of wood, and hacksaw blade and a sander, hand sander, and a hole saw. Just got to find what I can do with these now. I don't know quite. They're quite brittle, this oak wood. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.